I've purchased or leased 3 BMWs from BMW of Bakersfield. I like the service I receive each and every time, just overall friendliness of everyone in helping you. The service department was always welcoming because I would come first thing at 7 o'clock in the morning before I was on my way to work, and they were always helpful, and I really appreciate that because my husband's not here all the time, so he can't take a look at it, but they were always here for me, so I really appreciate that. I currently drive the 535i hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and I love that car. I love the way it drives, and I'm a big environmental, to save our environment, and I love this plug-in hybrid. I can go locally in Bakersfield and not have to worry about the gas.